Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. Got a couple of things here from Treblab, the Xfit earbuds, true wireless earbuds, and the E3 noise cancelling headphones. These folks just said, hey, we see you do some headphones and earbuds reviews. Would you consider looking at our stuff? And I was like, sure, why not? I do like affordable, decent quality headphones and earbuds, and there seems to be more and more of those. They might not be, super durable. The verdict's still out, but I've tested a few pretty affordable, pretty great sounding headphones and earbuds lately, including most recently the TCL earbuds, true wireless earbuds. So check it out. Let's start with the headphones. And as you can see, these are pretty large. High resolution sound quality, massive battery capacity, ultra quick charging, advanced noise cancelling, built-in microphone for calls. So they claim 50 hours of battery life on this thing. 50. Crazy stuff. So that's what the box looks like. There's not much in the back. Let's open it up, shall we? Boom. And in typical fashion, all you really have is a little pocket here with some documentation. Not much to be said here. Just, whoa, a little sticker went flying. So you get a sticker. That's nice. And then you get a little insert. And I guess there's some instructions here. Yep. That's one thing. Then you have obviously this case. And that's kind of why I just didn't want to zoom out too much. I'd rather give you the unboxing of the case like this. So let's have a look. What is going on in here? So here they are, the headphones, was nicely marked left and right sides. You've got a couple of cables here. Looks like USB Type-C for charging. Very cool. A to C charge cable. 3.5 millimeter to USB-C cable. Interesting. So that's cool. I wonder if that's a digital connection or an analog connection. It'll be interesting to find that out. Now let's have a look at the headphones. They come in a nice little insert. I'm not sure if you want to keep that in there, but for shipping it's certainly nice. And they look kind of beefy, Check it out. It's plastic, nothing too surprising here. And then here are some controls. So let's go through that. Here is a control that says noise cancellation, NC. So that's for turning on the noise cancellation. Then there's a control here for power. And then here is the USB Type-C connector. And then there's volume, up, down, and take a call, reject a call. So that's the basic controls. No fiddly, gesture controls here. And for $60, these are $60. I wonder if they're any better or any worse than my Mix CD-er that I will put up here. Those were pretty good. They sounded pretty good and worked pretty well for the money. I get now why that cable is USB-C on one end and 3.5 millimeter on the other end, because they don't have a dedicated 3.5 millimeter socket. If you want to listen to an analog source with a 3.5 millimeter cable, you plug this 3.5 millimeter end into like your old Walkman or whatever analog source you have, and you plug this here into the headphones, and it carries the analog signal through USB-C. So it's not actually the other way around, which is what I was expecting. So that's it for these. And now let's look at true wireless earbuds. That's the box. And you can see this is the carrying case. Look at my thumb. It's really small, right? So not too much here on the sides of the box. So let's see. Do I pull this out? Yeah, I pull that out. Then I pull this out. Wow, look at how small that is. That's pretty amazing. That's actually probably smaller than the AirPods. So that's that. And then in the box, you got some documentation and a cable. Oh, wah. And it all falls apart with micro USB. Who does that these days? Why do they persist on putting micro USB on things? Well, anyway, it comes with micro USB cable. And then you've got, I guess, some replacement silicone ear tips. That's what it looks like. And then we've got some documentation. Just gonna pull this out. You've got a sticker again. You've got that little card again. Thanks for your choice. And then, some basic documentation. Nothing too crazy. Let's have a look at these, shall we? There they are. So they're like a matte plastic finish And wow, they are so small. This is magnetic. There's no actual latch. And then you see there is a micro USB connector on this end. I don't think there's any LEDs or buttons anywhere. There might be some LEDs inside. And here are the tiny, tiny earbuds. You can see here what the case looks like. There is a couple of gold contacts inside here, and then the earbuds attached to that. And then they're clearly marked left and right, which is great. So I like it when they do that. And these gold contacts seem pretty solid. So I think that this is going to be pretty reliable in terms of charging. They come pre-installed with some ear tips, of course, and that's it. They're really, really small. So I'm not sure what the battery life is on these. I'll find out and put it in here somewhere. But the price is right at $50. So maybe they sound decent. We'll find out. They have passive noise cancellation through the silicone tips, but that's pretty much all you can expect at this price point, right? So I'll put them through their paces and check them out and let you know. Let me bring the headphones back here so that we have the whole package. That's it, folks. This is the Treblab E3 headphones and Treblab Xfit true wireless earbuds. $60 for wireless noise cancelling headphones and $50 for true wireless earbuds from Treblab. Stay tuned for my thoughts on the podcast, and of course, like this video, subscribe, comment below, click the little notification bell, tell me what you think. Would you buy these? I will let you know how they sound on the podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. You should subscribe on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Cast, Spotify. So join the podcast and listen. Stay tuned for more videos, folks. And until then, cheers, everybody.